Ever found it tricky to get the perfect woodworking tools? Off-the-shelf options might not quite cut it for your unique needs. So, here's the solution. Make your woodworking tools right at home. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process, giving you the power to create tools that fit your projects like a glove. It's all about bringing craftsmanship and customization into your woodworking journey. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Make sure to stay tuned until the end. Let's jump right in. Let's dive into the basics with a wooden mallet, a tool that's like the heartbeat of woodworking. To create, start by picking a solid hardwood block, something like beech or oak, making sure it's smooth and flawless. Cut the block to the size you want for the mallet head and give it a sleek look with beveled edges using a saw. Now, right in the middle of the mallet head, drill a hole and get ready for the handle. Cut a dowel rod or use some scrap hardwood, shaping it to fit perfectly into the hole. Bring it all together by slathering some wood glue in the hole and sticking it in the handle. Then patiently wait for the glue to set. Once it's dry, give the handle some finesse with sandpaper and a protective finish. And there you have it, your very own wooden mallet. Next up is the wooden chisel, an essential tool in any woodworking toolkit and a true reflection of your craftsmanship. Imagine yourself as the craftsman behind the scenes, shaping your tool to match your unique style. To bring this indispensable tool to life, start by selecting a robust wood for the handle, something that feels sturdy in your grip. At one end, drill a hole with precision, creating a snug space for the chisel to settle in seamlessly. Gently insert the chisel into its newfound wooden home. Secure it snugly with thrusty wood glue and shape the handle to fit your hand just right. Smooth things out with some sandpaper, giving it a perfect, silky touch, and add the finishing touch, a protective coating to keep your creation shining through all your woodworking tools. A wooden tri-square, an essential companion for precision in your woodworking projects, aiding you in achieving impeccable accuracy. To create this trusty ally, cut the wood into two distinct parts, one for the flat part, blade, and the other for the ergonomic grip, handle. Connect them seamlessly by gluing and screwing, forming the perfect L shape. Take a moment to ensure its perfection, checking against a reliable reference to guarantee that it's perfectly square. Now, shift your focus to the handle, shaping it to embrace your hand with comfort. Finally, add a finishing touch and a protective coat to give your homemade wooden tri-square that polished and professional appearance. Next, a must-have is the marking gauge, a reliable companion in the world of woodworking precision, ensuring each mark on wood is a testament to accuracy. To bring this practical tool to life, begin by cutting two distinct parts, one for the robust main body and the other destined to become the guiding fence. Unite them seamlessly using wood glue and a trusty screw, forming a partnership that's ready to take on your marking tasks. Drill a hole through the body, welcoming a dowel rod, and secure it with a wing nut, providing you with the flexibility of adjustable measurements. Take a moment to calibrate your gauge with a ruler, guaranteeing pinpoint accuracy in every marking endeavor. Now, shift your attention to the handle, shaping it for a grip that feels just right. As a final touch, add the finish to your creation, giving it that polished and professional appearance. Next up is the wooden miter jack, an essential tool for securing miter joints with unwavering precision in your woodworking endeavors. Start by cutting a robust wood piece for the main body, followed by another for the clamping block. Forge their alliance using wood glue and screws, creating a sturdy foundation. Introduce flexibility by drilling a hole in the body for a dowel rod, secured with a wing nut for adjustability. Test the miter jack's effectiveness by placing a miter joint between the clamping block and the body. Shape the tool for ergonomic comfort, adding a protective finish for durability. Your DIY miter jack is now primed to enhance your woodworking skills, a testament to your craftsmanship and a reliable aid in achieving precision in your projects. Let's discuss the importance of the small wooden clamp, a simple yet crucial tool in woodworking. Think of it as a quiet hero, diligently working behind the scenes to hold pieces together during your projects. The small wooden clamp, despite its unassuming size, plays a significant role in ensuring precision and stability. As you create this practical tool, consider how it simplifies tasks like gluing, assembling, and securing small components. Its strength lies in its simplicity, a straightforward design that proves useful in various woodworking applications. Making your small wooden clamp not only expands your toolkit, but also gives you the satisfaction of having a reliable assistant tailored to your woodworking needs. It's a small yet powerful addition that highlights the beauty of simplicity in the world of woodworking tools. Next is a wooden dowel maker, a valuable tool for crafting versatile dowels from basic pieces of wood in your woodworking projects. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes architect, shaping raw materials into precisely sized dowels for your needs. This tool simplifies the process, allowing you to craft dowels of various diameters, tailored to your project specifications. As you create your wooden dowel maker, appreciate its role in adding efficiency and customization to your woodworking endeavors. This straightforward yet powerful tool expands your capabilities and underscores the practical beauty of woodworking simplicity. Now, let's explore the usefulness of the sanding block, a fundamental tool in the world of woodworking that brings smoothness and refinement to your projects. Consider it as the sculptor of surfaces, diligently working to ensure a flawless finish. The sanding block, with its straightforward design, serves as a manual powerhouse in smoothing and leveling various woodworking materials. Its simplicity lies in its ease of use, a rectangular block fitted with sandpaper for a consistent and controlled sanding experience. As you craft your sanding block, think about the comfort it provides in your hand, allowing you to refine edges and surfaces with precision. This tool is not just a means of achieving a polished look, but also an essential companion that adds finesse to your woodworking creations. Let's discuss why each tool is essential in woodworking. Take the wooden mallet, for example, a reliable tool for tasks like tapping chisels and joining pieces. Its wooden design strikes a balance between weight and impact, suitable for both delicate and robust jobs. Crafting your mallet allows you to customize its size and weight based on your preferences and project needs. This simplicity and personalization make it a valuable addition to your woodworking toolkit. To sum it up, making your woodworking tools at home is more than just having tools. It's a fulfilling experience. It involves craftsmanship, personalization, sustainability, and a deeper connection to the art of woodworking. Now that you've seen how easy it is to craft your own woodworking tools at home, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Have any questions or ideas for future projects? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides and insights. Thank you for watching. Until next time.